Supposed to be cutting grass, you know. That's too hot. I was thinking about dinner though, and I have a chicken. Y'all have one of these things where you know, you put the beer in it like this, and then you put the chicken over it. And we call them beer butt chickens. Anyway, that's not what I'm going to do with this. But I did come up. I said if this accepts the can like that, then why wouldn't it accept an alcohol stove like this? And then I could use it to cook in my boat. The distance from my flame to the bottom of my pot, I think there's too much of a, well, I don't know, maybe it's working. Oh yeah, it's starting to bubble. Just, you know, those little bubbles before it really comes to a whole boil. Anyway, I think this will work just fine for canoe cooking. Anyway, as usual, I do appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me while I took my beer break from cutting grass. See ya.